All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. What do you do when you feel happy?
Well, usually when I feel happy, I share the reason of happiness with my family. I
Sure?
yes.
All right, okay. You're a gentleman. Okay, that's good. Sorry, let's start again. What do you do when you feel happy?
Well, usually when I feel happy, I share my reason of the happiness with my family and friends, and I think that when you share when you share your reason to happiness, everyone enjoy it,
Enjoys it?
enjoys it, and
All right, so will
to
you
answer
share
your
some reasons of
question,
happiness with me also? I want to enjoy too.
yeah, why not?
Sure, so once upon a
When I
time. Okay, all right, let's go on. What do you do to stay happy? In order to stay happy, yeah.
in order to stay happy, I usually make my friends and family the things which makes me happy, and they are they want me happy.
Listen,
So
listen, listen. What do you do to stay happy? Categorize your answer. First of all, in order to be happy, I eat my favorite food. As I like barbecue very much, so I go with my friends or family to any good barbecue bar, and there I order my favorite barbecue and I enjoy a lot. Secondly, I always listen to my favorite music to make myself happy. You can talk about several things like that, okay? So this is called signposting, and talk about one to two things and that'll be enough. Now let's go on. Can we stay happy all the time?
well, I think it's not possible because in our lives we are there are very things or going on, and some of the things makes us happy and
Make us.
make us happy, and also some things which go in not in our direction in which we want, they make us
Unhappy,
sad.
sad.
So that's why
All right.
it's not possible to always be happy.
It's not possible to
To
be happy
be
all the
happy
time
always.
or all that. Overall, it's fine. Just try to connect your ideas with the main question and signpost your answer. It'll be better, right? Thank
Thank you.
you.